Hi guys, how are you? This is Bella from BSL. It's so nice to introduce our new product with you. So this is 215 kilowatts battery bank. As you can see, the height is 2.3 meter and the width and the length is 1.1 meters. Besides, it's free for you to choose the high voltage inverters. Like it can work with multiple inverters like Solar, Samsung or different brands. This is the display. We will show you more details later. It also connected with our cloud systems. This is the emergency switch off button. If there are any accidents, you can just turn it off. Green light means that work normally. The red light means if there are any error codes, it will show the red lights. Another one is the anti-explosion valve. It will automatically turn on if there's high pressure inside. That's all. So let us show you the inside. So here is the battery banks, like including 15 pieces batteries and one is the high voltage box. So you can see all cables here, the communication cable and the multi-cables. We also had multiple protections detectors like the smoker and the temperature detectors. And this is the fire extinguisher. Another one, air conditioners. It had cooling system and heating systems. Displays here, it can show more details like SOC, voltage and currents, temperature, more details of the battery systems. So for our battery bank, it can connect over 10 groups. So it's free for you to connect from the 215 kilowatts to 2 megawatts. So if you have any inquiries, welcome to contact BSL teams. Thank you.
BSLBATT Solution Lithium Battery.